Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chalk. How's everybody doing today? Like and follow the business page. Join the VIP group. Share this out when you jump on. And check out the website below. That is the American website, but when you go to it, you can click Canada, and it'll bring you to the Canadian site. Hey, Ange, how are you? There we go. We're all pinned. So, today I have two choices of project we can make. Oh, and turn that down. Yes, I know I've got my bottle in the way. I can move that over, and then I can bring this back. What's new? How's everything going today? We're starting off like that. Alright. So, let me just grab that. If I can. I think that's my open glue, and I don't want to open my other one. What was for lunch? I had a steamer for lunch. Hey, everybody jumping on? Let me know where you're coming in from. If I don't see your comments, I need you to like and follow the business page. Hopefully then Facebook will let you be seen. Or put an emoji with your comment. Let me just log on here with my iPad so I can get this shared out. If you can, please put it on your own profile page. Let people know we are here. Is this the current one, or is this the... Oh no, why are you feeling sick? No, that's not good. I'm not sure why you're sick. Oh, that's not fun. Okay, so we got that shared out. I'm just going to turn that down just a bit because I don't want to get in trouble. Okay, so because we did the Happy as a Clam the other day, I'm sorry again that I wasn't on yesterday. Yesterday got to be a crazy day. But we did the Happy as Clam the other day. So now we have the other side that we can do. And I have two options for us. How's everybody doing today? Let me know. I have Cute but Crazy, or Have Courage and Be Kind, the flowers. Which one should we do? I'm willing to do either one. Supposedly, I'm trying to shop for my own business page at the moment. Again, my link is below. If you would like to order anything. If you become a Club Couture member, this month. Your shipping is free on anything you order, but only for this month. If you want information on Chalk Tour, hashtag info. If you want to know about Club Couture, hashtag club. If you would like to join, hashtag join. Let me know. Which one should we do? Have courage and be kind, or cute but crazy? Hey everybody, how's everybody doing today? We're doing either Have Courage and Be Kind or Cute but Crazy. I am a Chalk Tour designer. Which one should we do? I think we're gonna do the Cute but Crazy, because I think it suits with the Happy as a Clam. So I'm just gonna turn that over. We have used this a couple of times, but because of what this board is, I'm still going to fuzz on my pant. We do have fuzzing cloths on the website if you would like to grab one of your own. We want to fuzz just so that it's not hard to get it up off the surface and leave your design where it's supposed to be. So we're going to push this down and make sure there's no bubbles so that it does not leak through, because it will not go through your transfer where there is the teal, just where the lettering is. I wonder if I could. What color should we do? Sorry. What color should we do this? We have all sorts of colors. Just shout one out to me. Hey everybody jumping on, how are ya? Let me know where you're coming in from. Facebook is not telling me who's jumping on, so please say hello. Angie, are you still there? Okay, I'm just gonna do it. I think I'm just gonna do it all in yellow. It'll be a nice bright color against the blue on the other side. Ange, if you're still talking to me, I'm not seeing your comments anymore. I don't know what happened. But you're the only one here now. Okay, so you just liked the video. Okay, so a little goes a long way. So we just got a little bit on the squeegee. This is the mini squeegee, if you're looking online. Oh, okay. I was trying to figure out what happened. I was like, it's still showing your ear, but you're not talking to me all of a sudden. I hope this is going to turn out. Although this is chalk, so it will wash off if it didn't work. It almost looks like I didn't wash off my transfer. But it looked clean, so I'm confused. So you want to pull pretty evenly so that you don't stretch your transfer. I'm not doing a good job because I'm also trying to hold the thing, but we're just going to lay it back down because one part of this C missed. But because we fuzzed, it comes off really easy. And there we go. Just need a permit. Hey everybody jumping on, how are you doing today? So there we go. That's cute but crazy. I'm sorry it's backwards. I don't know how to switch it on my phone. And then on the other side we have Happy as a Clam that we did the other day. I'm sorry this is a short video, but I hope you liked what you've seen. And I will catch you guys tomorrow at 2. We did 3 at, we've been doing 3 on Wednesdays because of my other stuff I do. But I will see you tomorrow at 2 o'clock Eastern. And I'll see you then. Bye guys.